Hello, and this is Sunny. Welcome back. Today my topic includes several fiber-related concepts: media converter and its application, GBIC versus SFP and their installation. At the end of the video, I like to introduce the concepts of small form factor, or SFF. Let's talk about the media converter. A media converter is a small device every IT professional should keep on hand because it allows you to manage a line in terms of cabling and control. The main function of a media converter is connecting different types of media, such as fiber, twisted pair, and coax cable. For example, fiber to Ethernet converter can connect fiber to copper wire. Fiber to fiber converter can connect single-mode fiber to multi-mode fiber. The media converter can support advanced switch features such as VLAN, quality of service, and bandwidth control, and port access control. There's many types of media converter to handle different versions of Ethernet, such as fast Ethernet, Gigabit Ethernet, or 10 Gigabit Ethernet. Here's one example of a media converter application. We want to connect these two Ethernet switches, which are more than 100 meters apart. The scenario can be very common as you expand a LAN over a campus. For example, two media converters can do the job. As we know, the UTP's maximum transmission distance is 100 meters. The media converters can extend Ethernet line over greater distance. For example, multi-mode fiber can transmit over a distance about 300 meters up to 2,000 meters, depending on transmitting rate. The single-mode fiber can transmit over a distance from 5,000 to 10,000 meters. Another benefit of using fiber is protecting data from electromagnetic interference, or EMI. Now let me introduce two types of modular interface transceiver, GBIC and SFP. GBIC stands for Gigabit Interface Converter. It is a standard type of modular interface designed for Gigabit Ethernet to fiber. GBIC comprises both transmitter and receiver. Simply, we call it a transceiver. We can plug a GBIC to Gigabit Ethernet device such as switch, router, or Ethernet to fiber converter. GBIC is replaced by mini-GBIC, SFP, or SFP+. Now let's talk about SFP or SFP+. SFP stands for Small Form Factor Pluggable Transceiver, also known as mini-GBIC, because it's a smaller version of GBIC. It has the same functions as GBIC, but takes less space than GBIC. A small form factor, or SFF, is a design that is smaller than other similar designs in its field. For example, a computer that is smaller than conventional desktop. MTRG and little connector are also popular small form factor connectors. We will talk more about small form factor at the end of the video. By the way, SFP or SFP Plus transceivers are virtually identical in size and appearance. The primary difference is that SFP Plus is an updated version that supports high speed up to 10 gigabits. Now let's see how to install the GBIC module in a Gigabit Ethernet device. For example, this device has two ports. The left side port is a slot for the GBIC module, and the right side port is a slot for a twisted pair RJ45 plug. Step 1. Carefully slide the GBIC module into the GBIC slot. Step 2. Remove the cap. Step 3. Plug the duplex fiber standard connector or SC to the GBIC. You can see the fiber SC connectors are normally used with GBIC. Installing SFP in a device is similar to installing GBIC. Carefully slide the SFP to the device slot and then plug the duplex little connector to the SFP slot. SFP takes less space, and that's why it's more popular nowadays. Now let's talk about the last concept in today's lesson, small form factor or SFF. A long time ago in the computer world, there exists a standard ATX form factor. The standard defines the size or volume of a computer motherboard, power supply, and so on. As the technologies advanced quickly, motherboards are made smaller and smaller. Small form factors are designed to minimize the volume of the computer. Smaller versions of computers are designed in a variety of sizes. Different manufacturers may call their small form factor products with different names, such as nettop, compact mini desktop, mini tower, micro tower, or simply small form factor computer. The concept of small form factor also applies to other fields, such as networking field. We mentioned them in many places in my lessons. For example, little connector, or LC, is a small form factor connector compared to standard connector, SC. SFP is a small form factor gigabit. I hope this video is useful. Thank you very much and see you next time.